गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
So respected principal ma'am and all my respected teachers who are watching this video, they say about the teachers that being one is the highest privilege and having one is the best blessing. So we are at the best phase of our life where we have got so many good teachers like you. In these testing times when we are all locked up at our homes and we can't really meet you, when you have not given up to depart knowledge to us, so how could we have given up in making this day special for you? So we, the students of NHMC, in sync with the latest digitalization trend, are going to celebrate Teachers Day this year. So we have had a wonderful time with you teachers in the college, and the proof of that is going to be the coming video, which is full of those memories. So everyone get ready, because I am going to open this Pandora box of memories with the upcoming video made by the 4th year senior Priya.
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं. थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान. नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान. मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान. नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान. दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले. धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले. दिए खिलों की तरह जो सदा जले, रोशनी से जिसकी है अंधेरा ढले. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही.
Wow, that was such an amazing and heartfelt video showing our gratitude to our teachers and showing the wonderful memories we have created and spent with them during these years. And this is just a small gesture on our part for our teachers who have been working round the clock, being the frontline warriors and teaching us during this uncertain times of COVID. So, up next, we have a beautiful poem which has been penned down by one of our own, by Ritika Nagpal of final year, and has been intricately recited by Archita, Gayatri, Ritika, and Rakhi of fourth year, and Neha, Himani, Sonam, and Kritika of second year, respectively.
The whole year we are creating nuisance, but deep inside we all know how grateful we are to our teachers for their immense love and support they offer.
So here's a piece of poem we would love to recite in honor of our respected teachers.
Like in autumn's leaves fall, the dry, rust-colored, which are meant to detach. Like in spring, new greener come reside in hearts of trees. Like his students, leaf by leaf, batch by batch.
A conifer, standing adamant, a little more verdant and a lot more dense.
Thicker when it comes to the bark, but wiser in nature. As sagacious as Newton's matter, with wiser speech and hazy lens.
It branches and grows over and over, and in years, sleek little branches will be embellished by fruits,
which instead is boon to all boughs in the house, who certainly are indebted to the roots.
Anatomy of that undervalued tree, if you correlate, is nothing. If relate deeply, is anthropomorphism.
Those branches are us learners, teachers being the root. That white light of knowledge splits to rainbow through a prism.
That's easy how fruits ripe, and a breeze of wind knocks them down.
And roots, so selfless yet nourish all bound. It's me who climbed up the sky, but I owe my teacher my fancy crown.
That was such a heartwarming poem that delicately captured all of the emotions we harbor for our teachers. Up next, we have another poem recitation by Barkha of second year.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru साक्षात परम ब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। आज इस टीचर्स डे के शुभ अवसर पर मैं सभी अध्यापक गणों को एक कविता समर्पित करने जा रही हूँ। यह कविता मेरे सहपाठी अंश द्वारा लिखी गई है, जिसका शीर्षक है शिक्षक। क्यों पढ़ूँ मैं गीता, क्यों पढ़ूँ मैं गीता, जब सामने है मेरे भगवान जो अवतरित हुए हैं हमारी ज़िंदगी में फरिश्ता बनकर कुछ इस तरह। मुझे प्यार है वो भी बेशुमार इस विद्यालय से, करना है फिर से दीदार, करना है फिर से दीदार, जिस विद्यालय में माँ बाप जैसे अध्यापक हैं मेरे यार। उनको कैसे भूल जाऊँ, उनको कैसे भूल जाऊँ जिन्होंने मुझे कामयाब होने का दिया ब्रह्मास्त्र, दिया ज्ञान का भंडार हमें, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार हमें। है आभारी हम उन गुरुओं के जिन्होंने किया कृतज्ञ अपार हमें। सही क्या है गलत क्या है यह सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप, झूठ क्या है सच क्या है यह बात समझाते हैं आप। जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप। शिक्षक और सड़क एक समान, खुद जहाँ हैं वहीं रहते, मगर दूसरों को उनकी मंजिल तक पहुँचाते हैं आप। Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
That was a wonderful poem indeed, guys. Thank you for decorating this celebration with such mesmerizing and beautiful words for our teachers. So any celebration is incomplete without dancing. And हमें तो बस बहाना चाहिए, चाहे वो टीचर्स डे वीडियो हो चाहे कुछ और, we have to dance. So next up I present you with a dance performance by Harshita, Vismya, Archita, Rupakshi and Rakhi from my year, that is 4th year, and our little Princey from the 1st year. So make sure that your phone is not on low battery, and if it is, go put it on charge and don't miss this dance performance.
नोवेल कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है। खांसते या छींकते वक्त हमेशा अपने मुंह को रुमाल या टिश्यू से ढकें। हाथों को लगातार साबुन से धोएं। अपनी आंख, नाक और मुंह को छूने से रुकें। अगर किसी को खांसी, बुखार या सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो तो उससे कम से कम 1 मीटर की दूरी बनाए रखें। जरूरत पड़ने पर नजदीकी स्वास्थ्य केंद्र जाएं या हेल्पलाइन नंबर 011-239-780-436 पर संपर्क करें। स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा।
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली
जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जित्तिया जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा सूरमा के मां ने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा 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 सूरमा
समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम
That was such a wonderful and lively dance performance indeed. So I recently read somewhere that we all are made up of the same stones, and it is the teachers in our lives who carve us out into these beautiful gems and diamonds so that our light can shine through. The role of teachers in our lives is indispensable. Not only do they teach us the curriculum and subjects, but also the way of life and the higher knowledge of becoming good physicians. Due to the present times, we could not have given you the celebration we intended to, but we do hope that this little effort on our part will make your day. Wishing a very happy Teachers' Day to all of our teachers. And guidance is what makes us go through this tough path, and we look for it throughout our years and throughout our life. Thank you all for being there. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Greetings to all my teachers. My name is Titik Sharma and I am making this video on behalf of all the NHMC students. I would like to thank you all for being a great support and a great mentor to us, and also for the knowledge and guidance you have provided us. I would also like to thank you for being the frontline warriors in this COVID pandemic. We wish you a great, happy and healthy life ahead.
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद गुरु मिलाए। अर्थात यदि भगवान और गुरु दोनों एक जगह खड़े हों तो हमें निसंकोच सबसे पहले गुरु के चरण स्पर्श करने चाहिए, क्योंकि कहते हैं कि भगवान को तो शायद गुरु ने ही मिलाया। So I am here, Priyanka Goswami, the Vice President of Nehru Homeopathic College. So finally वो दिन आ ही गया जिसका हम सबको बड़ी बेसब्री से हमेशा इंतजार रहता है। एक वो दिन जो हमारे टीचर्स के लिए होता है, हमारे अध्यापकों के लिए होता है, जो हमें पूरे साल इतने अच्छे से सपोर्ट करते हैं, इतने अच्छे से गाइड करते हैं। एक ऐसा दिन जब हम अपना आभार उनके प्रति व्यक्त कर पाते हैं। So firstly, Happy Teachers Day, all of my teachers.
A teacher is a friend, philosopher, and a guide who instills confidence in young minds and gives them a hope to dream. There is no better time to acknowledge this fact and express gratitude to our teachers on this very special day, that is Teachers' Day. Since I had been VCR for the first year and CR for the subsequent years, so that's why I'm more attached to all the teachers. So thank you for your time, hard work, and for all that encouragement you have given. Moreover, our teachers are there in COVID duty right now, so may God give them all the strength and blessings for their selfless services. So thank you once again and Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to the best teachers in the world. I just want to thank you all of you for being such a constant support in our lives at this time of the pandemic, where we really don't know where these things are heading. You are on your COVID duties, but still you make up time and you just come and teach us, take our online classes, and have been there for all our queries. without you. So just I feel very thankful for having each one of you as a teacher in my life. Thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you for being the guiding symptom that has helped us find remedies for our academic and life problems. Thank you for standing by us every single time. Thank you for all the hard work you do for us, especially in the COVID times. I know how difficult it is to manage family, patients, and all of us. And thank you for all the practical knowledge you provide us. And this list of thank yous is endless. I would just say that I'm so glad to have teachers like you. Have a great year, have a great time, and God bless you all. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all our lovely teachers. This year, Teachers Day is quite different for all of us. This is because this year you all are teaching us not only through online classes, but working as frontline health workers. I wish you all success, health and happiness in your life ahead. May your struggle against this pandemic be a success at the end. Happy Teachers Day to all of you once again.
Happy Teachers Day to all my beloved teachers. Teacher's job is not easy, and being a doctor at the same time is not at all an easy task. I feel myself to be so grateful that I got the teachers who are working on the front line as warriors, as well as teaching us in the online classes. You all are truly heroic for us. Thank you so much for working so hard during this pandemic. Happy Teachers Day.
Nowadays, we all know that technology has made it easier for students to learn with devices like in our online lectures. But nothing can come close to the experience of being taught by you all my inspirational teachers. It is easy to misbehave in lecture, but at the same time it is difficult to overlook your motivational advice. It is easy to spot annoyance in your behavior, but at the same time it is difficult to realize the patience you all have while dealing with us. Thank you all my teachers for overlooking our easies and never forgetting to do your difficulties. Thank you.
Though no words are enough to thank you for what all you have done for us, yet being your students, it's our duty to celebrate this day, to celebrate your selflessness, your hard work, your perseverance, your sacrifice, and all the efforts that you put in order to make us better people. From the bottom of my heart, a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much for always standing beside us, clearing our doubts, and helping us no matter what. Even in this time of pandemic, when the entire world is suffering, you made sure that our classes are taken and we don't bear the brunt of it. Thank you so much. We'll always be grateful to you for this.
I am Nimish Kayar from 3rd year, and as a member of the Students' Council, I'd like to reiterate a quote by Confucius on behalf of all the students of NHMTS, which goes like, education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, and hope breeds peace. I'd like to thank my esteemed faculty members and all of my teachers who have instilled us with hope and peace in such arduous times. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to all my respected sir and ma'am. I would like to express my gratitude and huge respect to all the teachers who impart us knowledge and good values. Thank you sir, thank you for everything. A single day can never be celebrate this noble profession of teaching. Thanks for everything, thanks for guidance, thanks for support, thanks for this care, thanks for this love, thanks for always helping us to enlighten our knowledge and to serve as a society as a good tool. Thank you sir. I wish on this Teacher Day I wish you all a good health and a life full of smile. Thank you sir. Thank you. Stay fit.
Okay, so I'm not here to quote any fancy Teachers Day poem or something like that, because you'll be getting a lot of those today. So let us talk facts. You see, what we are doing right now, recording all these messages and stuff, for you. It doesn't take much effort, and it is nowhere near what it takes to manage a class of 60-70 students over the internet multiple times a day. And you guys have been doing this for the last 4-5 months, and it takes quite a lot. And making all those presentations for us, and showing us all those live videos, and most importantly, tolerating us when we don't speak at all. And I'll be honest, I don't speak much either. So thank you so much for that. And it must be quite a hectic task for most of you, conducting lectures from the home environment. And we certainly cannot feel that struggle, but we do understand. Although half of us are half asleep during the first morning lecture, but that's a totally different story. And none of us really expected that a global pandemic would be the highlight of this year, and we certainly do not deserve all the negativity that it has brought, but we do hope that this small effort from our side will make your day a little better. And at last, massive respect and a huge thanks to all the COVID warriors working at NHMC right now. You guys have been working day in and day out just to make sure that we are safe at our homes, and you guys have played a huge role in homeopathy's stand against this global crisis, and it means a lot to us, to each one of us actually, who represents the system of medicine. And it's an honor to be your students. Thank you, and happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my respected teachers and Principal Ma'am. Like it is said, that teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to give light to others. I express my humble gratitude to all the teachers for continuously inspiring us to be our best versions, for helping us strive for our goals. And thank you for the patience, tolerance, your love and friendship at all levels. Thank you for teaching us and taking all the efforts for teaching even in this time of pandemic. Thank you teachers for helping us become better human beings. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
आपसे है सीखा, आपसे ही जाना, हमने है आपको गुरु है माना, सीखा है हमने सब कुछ आपसे, जिंदगी का मतलब आपसे ही जाना. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Thank you teachers for all your encouraging words and care. You inspire me to keep moving forward and never give up on anything. The recognition and appreciation which you deserve is beyond my meager words. Thank you.